Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your Instagram call history. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your profile page on Instagram. And if you're unsure how to do that, just select your little profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right. Versus how you use Instagram, select where it says your activity. And then scroll down underneath where it says account history. It'll tell you if there's any call logs in here, and you can sort by date as well. Up at the top, you can change the filter history on that. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.